So in this video we're going to make a Carroll diagram using the first 7 integers and the first 7 prime numbers. So first of all, when building a Carroll diagram is to produce sets of the 2 conditions that you need. So the first 7 integers, I'll make a set with that. So A will be numbers from 1 to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then the first 7 prime numbers. So I'll call that set B. So then that'll be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. So that's my 2 sets. So now I need to draw the Carroll diagram with this information. So I will draw my box like this. So I'll have my information going along there and my 2 bits down about there. Okay, so my first 7 integers, I will say here, so first 7 integers, I'll put that there like that, first 7 integers, and then above that I'm going to write in set A. So this is in A. So I'm just going to write it like that for now. And then next to this, I'll write the opposite of that, which is not the first 7 integers. So not in first 7 integers. So I'll just say here, not in A. And then on this side, again for set B. So here, my top line will be first 7 prime numbers. First 7 primes, so basically in B, and not first 7 primes, so not in B. So that's my setup for my Carroll diagram. So now what I want is to fill in the appropriate squares. So a good place to start is what is in both. So first 7 integers and also is in the first 7 primes. So basically what is in A and B. So what we're looking here for now is A intersection B. That's our first set we're looking for to go in this box. So A intersection B. So what's in A and in B? Well, we've got 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7. So that's our intersection there of A and B. So that's what we can put inside here. 2, 3, 5 and 7. And now the first 7 primes, that's in set B, but not in set A. So what have we got there? So first 7 primes, that's this one, but not in A. So basically integers that are greater than 7. So 11, 13 and 17. So 11, 13 and 17. Okay, so basically what we can call this is set B minus set A. So that's what we will call that. Okay. Now what about this one? In set A, but not in the first 7 primes. So basically numbers in set A that aren't prime numbers. So we've got 1, 2 is in, 3 is in, 4, 5 is in and 6. So that's our set there. So basically what we want here is set A minus set B. So that's what we've got there. So let's write our set down in here. So B minus A is 11, 13, 17. And A minus B, which is different. Remember, subtraction is not commutative. So if you change the order round, that's how we get different values. So for example, if you did 10 minus 7, this does not equal 7 minus 10. We get different values. Okay, so A minus B is 1, 4, 6. 1, 4 and 6. Okay, now what about this one? Numbers that are not in A and not in B. Well, basically that's the empty set. We don't have any sets for that. So basically what this is here is just the empty set. So there's nothing there. So basically not in A and not in B. So I'll just write that in words just to, so you can see not in A and not in B. This is just what's called the empty set. And that's what we call there when there's no terms to put in there. So that's our Carroll diagram for these. Okay.